Hey, we got Paul Brown, Wedge and Big, United States Drone Society.
What's up, everybody?
What's up, man? See, he's got the same gimbal as I do, and we got the same shit.
Yeah.
Mavic 3 Classic.
Got my filters right there. Got my light.
Look at his wizard stick.
Yeah.
We found a little holster for it.
It's my Gandalf.
And we got Ashley Brown.
Hi.
She's flying in the air to us at the same time as last time.
Yep.
And the kids over there, just sitting down, enjoying the outdoors in this early spring cold weather. And we're here at Clark's Cove, West Beach. Sunset time, golden hour. Gonna get some of that hurricane barrier over there. We're gonna see if we can fly across the cove. Hopefully we won't get hit by these birds, these seagulls.
Bring
So
that camera this way. Listen, you see that face right there? How come y'all ain't flying? How come y'all ain't up in the air right now? Come on, go get those drones up.